In this exercise I have to find lowest rated product per brand, and we have this data array of object with property, brand and average rating. Output should look something like this. So it's a brand XYZ. So we have to group by brand, aggregate by brand. We have three brand X, Y and Z, and every brand we have to find lowest inside every brand. So inside X, we can see here lowest for brand X will be 3.5, for Y it will be 3.2, and Z we have only one brand inside this data, so it will be 4.5, that will be lowest. So no another data to be compared for brand Z. So what we can do here, first things what we can do, so output will be object, so we can't use map or filter. We can use reduce to aggregate this brand in object. So first step will be group by brands. Second step will be we have to compare that aggregated data. We have to compare which one is bigger inside every brand, so we have to compare, and that's it. In third we can see the result. So let me create one function. I hope screen is visible and you can see the code. Let me use this as a function name. Find, this will be camel case for function. For brand, and we can pass the data in argument. Data will be product, and product parameter products. First we have to group by brand, products dot reduce output as an object, so it will be object accumulator, and it iterate through every product, so this will be product object. And what we need as a key, const key is equal to product dot brand will be key. And what data we need product name and average rating. So brand spelling is wrong, brand. We can destructure const data that we need. What we need, name and average rating. We can destructure this product, and we can group this in accumulator. We assign a key that will be product brand. What we can do is either comparing in second step, we can compare here only. So if there is no data for this key, so what is the key will be product brand. So first iterate, it will be brand X, so there is no data for brand X, something like this. Then what we can do for brand X, in first iteration we can add data product name will be this name, and this is similar key name, so we can put that only. Return accumulator if there is some data. So if in second iteration for this key accumulator x brand x, in third iteration we have data. So what we can do, we can check whether this one is lowest or this one lowest. We can keep the lowest data every iteration. So if there is some data, we can do accumulator for that third iteration brand x, that will be key is equal to we can see accumulator dot average rating. We accessing previous data is less than this average rating, so we comparing this to this. If this true, if previous value is less than this new value, then keep the previous, because we need previous value. So we can pass this object because we need the object, so we can use this only because this is all the object. And if this is not true, if this is smaller than this previous data, then keep this, and here we can pass this new object. We can swap this value to that key and we can return accumulator. So you know this what we call, I forgot the word, temp I forgot the word. uh, so this will return the data if true, and this will return if the false. So if we console.log this, we have to return accumulator. No, we don't have to return. We can return this group by brands, and we can console.log. Let's see what is the result. I know the word for this, but I don't know why I forget the word of this. And or operator, but this is also operator. Nullish, there is optional. I know this, but in the pressure I forgot the word. This is simple thing in JavaScript, but I forgot the word for this. If we log node exercise.js, as you can see, brand, we can see the lowest rating and similar output. So if you have any question about this exercise, you have to master the reduce method, how it's work. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you.